Hello, this is Claudia Orengo, a graphic designer and watercolor artist from Barcelona. And in this video, I want to show you how you can create your own mockups from photos. So we're using Photoshop for this tutorial, and the first technique I'm going to show you is with one of my pictures. So I took this picture when I was in Marrakesh, and these are my hands, my iPad, so everything from this picture, it's from my own property. So there will be no copyright problems. So if you have a picture like this, the first technique I want to show you is to create an editable mockup like the one we used in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, please check it. It's the one on how to showcase your pattern designs. And what we are going to create here is that mockup from scratch. So it's going to be a simple mockup because we just need the screen of this iPad, but it's going to be great to start from. The first thing you want to do is to create a shape. So let's use this rectangle shape and draw any rectangle, which is going to be filled with a color. You have the settings here to select any color you want for this rectangle to be. I'm just gonna have it in white, and it doesn't matter for now the shape. So you can start directly with this rectangle, or you can create a selection and fill it with any color you want. And fill it in a new layer with any color you want. So whichever of these two options will work. Let's stick with the rectangle. We're gonna do right click with our mouse and we're gonna select convert to smart object. Now this has changed. We can edit this name to add, for instance, double click to add your design. Some instruction that helps in case you want to sell this mockup, helps anybody who downloads to know where they have to add their design. But we're not going to do it for now. We are going to reshape this rectangle to fit the screen of our iPad. So we're going to press Command T in our computer and we can do some zoom. And what I want you to do is I want you to come to each one of the corners and press Command so that the arrow changes to this white one. Now you can move it and drag it anywhere you want. So you may want it to fit exactly the screen, or you may prefer to leave like a border. So let's leave a border and do the same with each one of the corners. Press Command and drag it to fit the area you want the design to be displayed. And once you have this, you can see that the drawing has been deformed somehow, but the original, you will see it keeps the same proportion. So once you have this, you're gonna press Intro and it's gonna apply these settings to this rectangle. Now we can test this. We can double click to this and it will open, you see, a very straight shape, and we can come here and add our design. So to make it fast, I'm just gonna add a pattern here just for you to see how this works. You would import here any image, any design you can draw, you can design it directly in Photoshop by adding some text. We can say your design here. And we can have it centered. So imagine this is the design you want to showcase. You will simply press Command S to save or come to File, Save, doesn't matter. And it has been directly applied here. So this is how you create editable mockups from these intelligent layers.